Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use green screen on ShotCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my ShotCut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to choose a video I want to edit. I'm going to select video from my download album or download folder. Okay, wait guys, for example, I'm going to use this video, and I'm going to add green screen to this video, and then I'm going to show you how we can remove the green screen. Okay, now it's time to add green screen. I'm going to go to the PIP to add an overlay. Click on add overlay, and then I'm going to add my green screen. Wait guys, I'm still trying to find my green screen. Wait, I'm still looking for the album or the folder. Wait. Okay, I think it's here. Okay, this is the green screen I want to add to my video. Click on add, and then I'm going to zoom in. You can use your two fingers to zoom in. Alright, and then I'm going to show you how we can remove the green screen. If you want to remove green screen, we can use Chroma feature. You just need to scroll all the way to the right until you find Chroma key feature, this one, and then you can place the circle on the green screen, and then you can customize the cutout intensity and also the shadow. Okay, now it's done. Click on the check mark, or if you're not satisfied with the result, you can reset it like this, and then you can remove it again. Okay, click on the check mark, and then this is the final result. As you can see guys, that the green screen video has been applied to my video. Okay, basically we just need to use the chroma key feature to use the green screen. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use green screen on ShotCut video editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.